Freelance digital marketing has changed my life. If you are like me, you're in your 50s and you're sick and tired of going to a job, not being satisfied, you're stressed out, burnout on the same hamster wheel that you've been on for the last 20 years, I'm here to let you know I'm just an ordinary person, just like you, that decided that I no longer wanted to be stuck. I no longer wanted to give my time, my precious time, to a job that no longer fulfills me. So I decided to start digital marketing and learn how to market, recommend, whatever you want to call it, something that I'm passionate about. And I'm passionate about teaching you, educating you that you do not, hear me, you do not have to continue to stay stuck, stressed out, burnout, in a position, a job that no longer fulfills you. In 2023, I came across a course that taught me everything that I needed to know to scale my business. And again, guys, you can do this around anything you're passionate about. I'm here to show you and teach you everything and anything you need to know. You need to take a course. You need to get education. It's like going to college. You're going to get educated. You're going to learn the skill. You're going to learn the language. And you can literally build a business around anything you want. I don't care if it's your own brick and mortar. I don't care if it's beauty. I don't care if it's activewear. I don't care if it's around health and fitness. Choose something that you love. Now, I love to help people just like you learn how to make money online. And you can literally do that right from your couch using a cell phone, Wi-Fi, and your laptop. You got to learn a skill, so you probably need a course, and I have a great one for you. So if you are ready to learn exactly what you need to do to make money online so you can quit the day job that you are currently in that's making you sick and tired, frustrated because you're just wanting more time. And if you have more time, obviously you need some source of income coming in. And I have multiple streams of income that are paying me daily. And when you learn that skill, when you learn to start making money every month, it is truly life-changing. I made $50,000 in 2023. And I'm going to scale that business and I'm going to double that income. And I want you to learn the exact steps that I took to change my life. Because again, I'm just an ordinary person, just like you. But the difference is I stopped scrolling and I learned how to monetize my social media. And remember, I'm just an ordinary person. And if I can do it, you can too.